Hi, welcome to Cruise Control. My name's Eric, and today we're going to cover one or two or a lot of EVs that are coming from Toyota and Lexus. They're coming to take on Tesla. Before we get to that, thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe for more content like this. Plus, I do new and used car reviews and do live streams. Now back to the onslaught of EVs from Toyota Lexus.
Welcome to Cruise Control.
All right, so if you guys thought Toyota was going to take it easy with EVs and let Tesla walk all over the place, we were all wrong. There are so many EVs that are coming out from Toyota. All right, so number one here, let's look and see how many are in this picture. All right, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Wait, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16, 17. 17 different EVs are shown in this image. How many of them are really going to come to fruition and how many of them are going to come to America? I am not sure, but look at the onslaught of EVs that's coming out. I'm going to cover a couple of them. Can't cover them all because I don't know the information on all of them, but wow, is Toyota, they're serious. They are coming to play. First and foremost, trucks. I told you guys, I believe trucks are the biggest beneficiary of an EV, and Toyota is showing off their pickup. This looks like a Tacoma or a Tundra or something like a homologation between the two. I don't know if they're going to just come out with one EV truck, if they're going to come out with two different sizes, but this looks really cool. It's off-road ready, so it looks like TRD kind of stuff, which is awesome. We haven't seen too many off-road versions of EV trucks that are coming out, so this looks fun. I don't really have a lot of information on it other than looks like it's going to be coming out. Next up, we got this little compact cruiser EV, which looks adorable. It looks like a micro machine. I don't know if you guys ever played with micro machines, but they were like a smaller version of Hot Wheels. They were super tiny. So this looks like a micro machine, but it's an EV little cruiser. Looks fun. Toyota's coming to play. Then you come over here and you're like, wow, the MR2 really is coming back, only it's coming back as an EV. Makes sense. I think it looks really cool. Nice proportions, looks small, probably as lightweight as an EV sports car can be, so that looks awesome. Then here have the bigger BZ. Remember, the BZs are going to be coming in different variations. So here's the large BZ5X. So this is going to be a 3-row crossover. So that looks pretty fun. Then you have the Toyota BZ sedan, coming right at Tesla with cars as well. So that's pretty cool. Then there's the BZ compact SUV. Looks fun, looks sleek. Then you have the crossover EV, also looks kind of cool. The front lights, I really like that. Those look pretty futuristic. I like it. Looks pretty fun. Then you have a Lexus EV sedan, which looks pretty high end and looks pretty sporty and fun. I like the looks of that one. That looks awesome. Probably replace like the GS model. Looks like their sporty sedan. Whoa, looks good. I like that one. Then they're going to get their own EV variant of the BZ5. So this is the Lexus 3-row crossover. Looks pretty good. And then we have the Lexus RZ450e, which is the EV variant for Lexus that's going to be on the BZ4X, probably with a little bit more power. And then look at this guy, the electric version of the LFA, right? This is their super halo car. This thing's supposed to do 0 to 60 in about 2 seconds. Have over 400 miles of range, so Toyota's coming to play. They are coming to play. So they got a bunch of cars that are coming out. Looks crazy, and I think the rest of the world has just been put on notice that Toyota is really serious about playing this EV game. So we'll see how many come out. We'll see how many of those come to the United States. Which one of these EVs was your favorite? I like the truck. I like the sports cars. I like some of the sedans and some of the SUVs. So actually, I like quite a bit of them, actually, it looks like. So good for Toyota and good for us. We're going to have an EV world. Are you guys ready? My name's Eric. This is Cruise Control. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe for more content like this. Have a good one.